In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find an app called Smart Voice Mammal located on your device. Then launch it and tap on blue button at the bottom left corner to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. To get rid of it right away, click on this pin on the left, confirm your choice in the pop-up, and to end it and save it, tap on the check mark on the right. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If it's long enough, you can use all of those options at the bottom: transcript, summary, and mind map. In order to rename your recording, you can hold it on the left, tap on rename at the bottom left corner, type in whatever you wish to, and hit save. But you can also just click on those three dots at the top right corner here and access the same options. To delete it, just select delete option and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!